YouTube, Vic's Pick and Lock. It's package day today. A long awaited video, but I was supposed to be making some picks and I haven't got around to a single one yet. So that's sharp. Just let me open this box a sec. Right. I've always got problems. Don't know if you can see this, but these thumbs at the base here, they're swollen as hell. And I can't grip a lot of stuff. So I thought I'd treat myself and buy something that's going to help me. I should have opened the box first, but never mind. Right. Get that out of the way. Put that down there. It's a grinder. And I think it works that way. I've bought myself a finger file, and it's a nice little file, but I've got to stick it into a vise. And the idea of this is it's going to be on the ground, and it ain't going to move about. So there's my on and off switch. I've got a box of bands, which this uses the same bands as my finger file, and I'll pull this over here as the UK power lead, and that's the control box. So I've really been looking forward to getting one of these. Not as small, but it's going to work. This is the work area, and I'll just open the control box up. Right, this is all Perspex covered in paper, but it's actually a controller box, and I think this peels off and your power control thing goes in there. I haven't read the instructions, but that's the power supply. Or should I say, I think it's speed controller, because that's the power supply. And this is the same as I use on my lathe. It goes from 12 to 24 volts. Some 3 belts. So they're not too big. Considering, but they're going to do me wonderful. Right, now this is just a little quick one to put some content on the web page, or YouTube page as I should say. And I've got to get stuck into doing some stuff, because I'm losing contact with myself as well, as it happens. Anyway, just a quickie, let you know I will be doing some stuff, and I was just waiting for this, and there's one other thing to come, and I'll be back showing some videos. Okay, thanks for subbing me, thanks for sticking with me, and if you like what you see, pass it on to your friends. Thanks a lot.